how do you really diagnose someone as a fall risk? I mean, what's out there that can actually, determine that someone is at risk of fall or has what you just told, some of these weaknesses?
Sure. So our company, for instance, Safe Balance, is a proprietary multifactorial falls risk assessment to intervention program. So it's a fancy, long-winded term for we're going to examine the top highest risk areas of falls, be it vision, cognition, standing balance, gait, walking back and forth, prior fall history, different things like that. And we're going to identify the severity markers and ultimately find a way to mitigate those risks. So you'd be surprised, for instance, on the amount of people, that you guys can probably think of, that are 65 and older, and you can ask them, when was the last time you had your vision checked? And a lot of times, people are still wearing the same lenses that they had from 10 years prior. Well, we all know that vision, if you think about it, if you can't really see something, more inclined to trip over it, more inclined to have, obviously an accident or anything like that. But statistics actually show that if we find somebody who has a history of low vision or degenerative case of vision, impairment, that a comprehensive eye examination by an optometrist or an ophthalmologist, focusing on that, plus an occupational therapist coming in doing a home safety assessment and compensatory strategies there can actually decrease the risk of falls by 38%. Wow. So just one small little identification of the marker, that's the key thing. We have to identify it, otherwise we can't manage it. So that's where the big thing kind of comes into play, is being able to identify it.